What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. So we're going to quickly go over Bitcoin. There is some beautiful short trade opportunities on the chart. We're currently sitting at 29,477. We're down about 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 553 billion and the 24-hour volume is 23.92 billion. So we're going to hop straight into the 1 hour chart. So if you've been following my channel for a while, hopefully you've been drawing out these patterns because we had a nice bear flag. I took the day off yesterday and I didn't look at my charts. Just enjoyed a nice day off, but there was a beautiful trade opportunity from this bear flag. You can see we broke down and that target was met perfectly. So that was a nice little trade here. Ooh, of about 4% for Bitcoin. And if you're trading with leverage, could be much more. And if you want to learn to trade with leverage, if you want to make money, whether or not the price of Bitcoin is going up or down, please check out my full length tutorial and sign up to Bybit to receive up to $600 in bonus. So you can see here we have another bear flag and we started to break down. So I have entered a short position. I put my stop loss right up here at about 30,000 just in case we do have a throwback. Very important, guys, to set your stop losses to mitigate your losses if there's a throwback. So your breakdown target from this bear flag is down here at 28,233 and that would be a nice little trade. Ooh, of about 5% here for Bitcoin. It looks like we're heading down to our technical target from our descending triangle. Now there are other technical analysts, YouTubers that I enjoy watching, and I have not seen any of them talk about this descending triangle. They were all calling for a falling wedge, but I did call out this little descending triangle and it looks like we're heading down to that technical target down here at 28,592. Now guys, if we were to see a bounce, always a possibility. Of course, the bearish outcome is much more likely, but if we were to see a bounce, we can drop in this level of resistance quickly back up here at about 31,139. But as you can see here on the daily, we've lost a key level of support here at 30,000. You can see we bounced right here, we bounced here. We were holding some support and we've broken down. So if we do come down to 28K where this wick came down to and we lose it and we break down underneath 28K, my next target would be your swing low, which is at about, I believe it's about 26,000 or the high 25,000s here. Yeah, 25,775. So almost 26K here. It's a previous swing low. So that is your next level of support if we do break down from 28,485. If we look here on the weekly, it is looking bearish, guys. We've started to come underneath the 55 on the weekly. So we start closing underneath the 55, we're back testing it as resistance. That signifies that we may go into a bear market. But most likely what I think will happen here is if we do break down from 28,485, we come down to 25K, we'll see a quick bounce where we'll hit that support, we'll bounce quickly, we'll get back above the 55 EMA, we'll do a little something like this, where we come down, we see a bounce, a quick bounce, we'll get back above the EMAs and we continue on this bull run. We are seeing whales continuing to accumulate at these prices. This wallet here on July 15th bought 15,000 Bitcoin. $477,510,600 worth of Bitcoin at 31,000. So we're seeing the whales continuing to accumulate. And if we look back here on the chart, you can see the Corona dump. We broke underneath the 55. We broke underneath the 200. We had the bearish cross on the weekly and we bounced right back up. So what may happen is we either bounce off 28K here, we come down to this wick and we bounce, and that's our true bottom, or we do break that, we come back down to 25,775 and we see that bounce back up to the upside. Now that is the bullish scenario, guys. If we were to lose 25K as support, let's see here where our next target would be. Previous swing high at about 24. So you could target this previous swing high at about 24K, and then you would have this swing low here at about 22K. But if we do head down to those price targets, that's when you're gonna start to see the bearish cross on the weekly. We start back testing a resistance, and that would signify that we'd be entering into a bear market here. So what we wanna see is that we see a quick bounce off 28K here, or off 25K and start trending back upwards. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of these patterns here. Good short trade opportunities. Please use your stop losses. Please use your take profits. Don't be greedy. And if you'd like to get in on these trades with me and make money on the way up and the way down, please sign up to Bybit. You get up to $600 in bonuses. You can check out my tutorial. You can also check out the Discord where I am posting chart patterns to stay ahead of the game on these trades. Great place to stay ahead of the game, and we have over 1,000 members in the Discord. So if you got any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button. You can follow me on Instagram. You can check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.